Hey, how y'all doing? I'm doing another video showing another country gentleman I just finished. This is kind of the handle material that seems like everybody has gotten excited about. I've had quite a few orders with this combination of handle materials, which it is a nice classy look, I think. It's ivory G10 and burlap micarta shield and bolsters. I did file work on the liners, and they are brass. And of course the pins are brass as well. Kind of did a dovetail fit up there on the between the bolsters and the handle material there. Excuse me. And did a bird's eye style pivot. This one is 3 3/4 inches closed, and with it open it is 6 5/8 inches long, if I remember correctly. Got a nice 400 grit hand sanded finish, nice crisp nail neck, and long swedges. This one is my 54th one, and once again I kind of got it hid just a little bit there at the bolster. Have my name etched on the other side. This one has a really nice snappy action on it. This is what I consider kind of on the upper end of medium. I'd say it's probably a good 6 as far as pull, but it does give it a nice snap. There we go. I got her pretty decent finish down there on the back spring as well. Anyways, this has been a look at my country gentleman pattern, and if you stayed this long, I'll give you a real quick sneak peek on one of the next ones I'm working on. Take these clamps off. I just got them on there I got a hold of some elk horn or antler or whatever you want to call it. And so I'm trying my hand at it. Of course, being natural material, this one kind of bows in and this one kind of bows out a little bit. So what I've been doing is trying to make the hinge pin area same thickness and the butt end the same thickness. Of course, this was another one of my country gentleman patterns. I already have the blade finished out, and I've got some file work on the back, kind of just my traditional same pattern. One of these times I'm going to try a different pattern, but for now I'm sticking with that one because I've got a good handle on it. But anyways, maybe this one will turn out halfway decent. It's my first time using any antler at all. But anyways, that's been a sneak peek of that. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you're enjoying the content, consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you later.